In this video, you will get the exact action steps of what you need to do to actually make a business work, or in general, how to get shit done overall in life. This is probably the most important thing you need to understand to actually be able to consistently have one thing as a goal and actually achieve it. All right, so I want to talk about momentum you gain through getting shit done. And there's short-term and long-term momentum. And you probably sometimes have those days where you wake up, you feel super hyped, you instantly get things done and you're super productive and things just got better and better and better. And the whole day just feels amazing because you just got things done and everything was great. Okay? And obviously there's also some days where you know kind of generally what to do, but don't do it and are slacking and are lazy and basically have a shitty day. Okay? I want to dissect why this is happening and how you can actually ensure that you constantly just have those days which are going amazing. All right? And this comes down to short and long-term momentum. Why you have an amazing day is you had a tiny task which you actually fulfilled immediately in the morning. You started doing that and it worked out and you're done. And then you do the next thing and it's also done. And then you do the next thing and it's also done. And you do like 3-4 smaller tasks which you just get done one after another, and instantly you feel amazing about yourself and feel like you are able to just do exactly what you want to do. And that's just because the tasks were very simple and easy to accomplish. However, this can actually be replicated. For example, if you're just starting out, you know, okay, the first step is building the store and doing product research. All right? Those two things are huge tasks. Doing product research is not a task which you can write into your to-do list. This is way too broad, way too general. Doing product research is like 5 different things. It's number 1, selecting terms on what good and what bad is. 6 criteria, 10 criteria, whatever, just something. Then after you have that, you're just gonna start scrolling around on Facebook or wherever you do product research and copy the links from potentially good products without thinking more about them. And what you're instantly gonna find happening is you're gonna see one product and you're gonna love that product and you're gonna start doing more in-depth research and get super caught into it. And basically you're gonna get off track of doing product research, or basically the first step, which is just making a list of products which potentially could be good. Then after that, you actually make sure that every single criteria fits into the narrative of that one product and everything is great, and you're going to filter out a bunch of products, and then from the products which are left you can start doing a bit more in-depth research and just keep going like that. And my point here is those are different tasks. It's not product research as the whole. It's going on Facebook specifically. If you have 5 platforms where you do product research, it's going on Facebook specifically, so only one platform, and just scrolling around and doing the copy-paste work. That's it. That's one part of product research. All right? And if you do that, you're gonna see that you're gonna get more things done. Why? Because you microstructured it and broke it down into tiny pieces. If you structure out your day like that, you're just gonna have this checkbox after checkbox after checkbox on your to-do list. And trust me, it's the most amazing feeling to have a to-do list which is just constantly getting smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller. I don't know why and what it is, but it feels amazing, and you're gonna just get this upward spiral where things are gonna go better. Now you're done with the day, you go to sleep and you wake up again. And here's a really crucial moment. The next day, everything is gonna start from scratch. All right? Your momentum is gone. The short-term momentum is completely gone. You're not gonna have it at all, and it's like a reset button. However, if you're gonna do this short-term thing for like a week or 2, you're gonna gain long-term momentum, which is basically you going to the gym for 3-4 weeks. It's pretty natural at that point to go to the gym on week 5. It's not that difficult anymore. You just do it because that's the routine. It's kind of what you do in general. And the same thing is gonna happen here. You just do those things. And the reason why business and gym is so different is because in the gym, it's very clear what you need to do. And in business, it's not clear at all. You're gonna feel so lost, and it's gonna be so many different things you could do, and that's why you obviously need an exact structure and a step-by-step plan. However, that's besides the point. The main thing is that you need to understand that there's just task after task after task, and you need to break all of them down to make sure that in the morning you know what you're gonna do. Because trust me, if you don't know exactly what you're gonna do, then you're not gonna be able to do anything. And you're just gonna sit in front of your laptop and waste your time on bullshit. Because you really need to dissect every single to-do you have in your sheet in, is this gonna potentially make me money or not? And most people are gonna do things like inserting more products into their store because they already have a decent product, they think, and they're going to think, all right, but maybe people are going to go off that product page and go to the store and search for other products on there, and that's why I want to make sure that all my product pages on the store are great. All right. This is a complete waste of time. It's not going to make you more money, for sure. Or working on your logo, for example, it doesn't matter how good or better your logo is, it's not going to make you more sales. All right. In the beginning, if you have a winning product, you have a winning product. If you don't have a winning product, you're not going to have a winning product. It's not the logo. The logo is not going to give you this boost of getting it to a winner. You really need to break down all the things you're doing and think of the potential outcome. So the best case scenario, which could be a game changer. And if it is going to be a game changer, then you should do it. If it's not going to be a game changer, it's a waste of time. Because instantly worst case scenario hits, which is you wasted time and money. And especially the time part is crucial because that time you could have invested into doing something really productive and not something which just feels productive and in reality you're just procrastinating. And this is the exact reason everybody is just talking about making an amazing store. Making an amazing store is the thing in dropshipping where you're gonna feel the most productive in. When you go to Shopify and feel like this entrepreneur who's just making this design and writing the copy and selecting the pictures and making a logo and doing the colors and doing all of those things, it's very, very clear what you need to do, and that's why you're gonna feel super productive. However, this is not the thing which is making you money. Selecting the product is, but it's very difficult because you're gonna feel lost, all right? And this is just the reason why we do this mentoring program, because I know this and I understand that most people do feel lost in the beginning, and we do guide them through the process of the things which are actually the most difficult, which is product research, making the ads, and analyzing the data. Those three things are the most difficult parts in dropshipping. You have no clue how difficult it is to actually select a really good product, to make sure that all the criteria are good. To go on Facebook, test something, and then make a decision of, do I need to test a new offer? Or do I need to test a new creative? Or should I kill this product? What should I do here? Like, this is an extremely difficult decision as a beginner because you don't know. How can you know? And this is exactly why we have this one-on-one program where you're gonna have constant calls with me where I'm gonna do those decisions for you. I'm just gonna tell you exactly what to do and you do it, all right? So if you're interested in that, click the link below, sign up for a free consultation session with me personally. We're gonna find out if we're a good fit. If yes, we're gonna get started. If no, then not.